Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Home Minister Ravi Naik speaks exclusively to Prudent, hints at political rivalry behind Supari to kill Roy Naik, says some arrested, more arrests possible. It's an issue of trust for Home Minister. Ravi's old guards to protect Roy. Ravi takes new security guards. CM Kamath appeals for peace during 24th September Ayodhya verdict, says state will make adequate security arrangements. Captain of Ports decides to conduct inspection to finalize exact place at Raibandar to locate casinos, claims relocating of casinos will solve congestion problem in the river. Churchill Brothers coach Vincent Subramaniam pleased with big win in Federation Cup opener, says his team can do much better. Former Singapore coach claims Chirac United will be the real test. And St. Xavier's College avenged last year's defeat, thrashed Father Agnel 5-1 to win Inter-College Football Championship. Now the news in detail. Home Minister Ravi Naik has said that some people are arrested in Roy Naik Supari case and more arrests are possible. He has hinted at political rivalry behind Supari to kill Roy Naik. Ravi expressed this doubt while speaking exclusively to Prudent Media. Goa police have confirmed that there is threat to Ravi's family, but they have not divulged any details of the arrest.
The dacoits arrested by Kalangut police station have been opening up the Pandora's box of Goan crime. The notorious gangster Michael Fernandez has revealed some startling facts. In his interrogation, he has told police that he was approached with a supari to kill Home Minister's son, Roy Naik. Further investigation has revealed that Naik's entire family is facing the killing threat.
I can only tell you some inputs suggested that there was a threat. Keeping those inputs in mind, security arrangements have been made. These inputs are going to be looked into. These inputs will be reviewed. If necessary, security will be withdrawn. If it is felt that it should be sustained, it will be sustained. If any changes are required, then the changes will be made.
So threat is to Home Minister or his entire family or him in particular?
You see, some inputs had been received pertaining to his family.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has hinted at political enmity behind this issue. The statement from the senior politician comes at a time when Roy Naik is planning to contest next assembly polls from Moe constituency. Here are the excerpts from Ravi Naik's exclusive interview to Prudent.
मग कितें दिसता कितें मोटीव आसतलो म्हण हाज्या फाटसून
मोटीव आतां पळय कोणाचें कितें आसा तें
पूण आतां 48 वरां जालीं हे घेवन तांच्यांनी सुपारी आपल्याक दिल्ली म्हणून पूण कोण ते अजून कशें कितें पुलीस हे फायनल
इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा हें करता तेंचे शोध चालू आसा त्या मनशांची थोडे मेळ्ळेले आसा थोडे आतां उरलेले कोण उरले दिसता ते खबर काडून दी मागीर
कोण आसतले अशें ते
ना कोण कितें आसा आज लोकां कडेन पयशे जाल्यार खूब चड जाल्यार तेजे ते कशें कशें ते ऑफर कोणाक दिवंक शकता कोणाक कसले हेका सांगून आसा डिफरंट हितून आसूं येता
पूण कितें मोटीव आसूं राजकीय मोटीव आसूं शकता
आसूं
किंवा
शकता राजकीय हितून आनी कांय ना राजकीय सगळें
Roy Naik has been in controversy from past 4 months. BJP had claimed that alleged drug peddler Atala's girlfriend Lucky had named Roy in the drugs case. Majority of the political factions had demanded CBI probe into the matter as the State Home Ministry was under the shadow of suspicion following the serious allegations. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty, Jason Suarez with video journalists Sushant Par and Shan.
The state government will make adequate security arrangements on 24th of September. This is in view of verdict to be given on the sensitive Babri Ayodhya issue on that day. Section 144 will be imposed all over the state on 24th.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has said that all precautions will be taken to prevent any untoward incident in view of judgment to be pronounced on Babri Ayodhya issue on 24th September.
We have reviewed the arrangements made by the police. It has been decided that all the precautions and steps will be taken by the Goa police to see that no untoward incident takes place.
He also said an event management agency will manage the opening and closing ceremonies of this year's IFFI.
It was also decided that the opening and closing ceremony of the film festival requires more hype, and that is why it is felt that an event management agency may be asked to manage only the opening and closing ceremonies of the festival.
He also said that I&B Ministry has assured to bear the expenditure for the opening and closing ceremonies by them or through sponsors.
As far as expenditure for the opening and closing ceremony is concerned, the minister was kind enough to assure us that they will try to see that as far as possible this expenditure is borne either by the ministry or by the sponsors.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan.
After stern opposition from Raibandar citizens, Captain of Ports has decided to conduct an inspection to finalize exact location towards Raibandar to locate the casinos. Cabinet had decided to relocate casino vessels in Mandavi. Captain of Ports claimed that relocating of casinos will solve congestion problem in the river.
Citizens of Raibandar and Vere had opposed government's decision to relocate casinos in Mandavi. Cabinet had decided to relocate 3 casinos towards Raibandar and 2 each in Panji and Beti. Captain of Port's hydrographic team to visit Raibandar this week to inspect the exact location for anchoring casino vessels in Mandavi.
No, as of now, the whole proposal is to shift on the eastern side of the Mandavi bridge. So, we'll have a clear picture once we go and assess exactly whether it's going to be on the northern side of the Mandavi there or on the southern side. That we will assess in the next few days, the exact position based on hydrographic team going there. It will be done in one of these days.
7 casino vessels are at present in River Mandavi. Every day, around 100 barges transit through the river. Similarly, there are something 9 evening cruise ships operating. Captain of Ports feel that if casino vessels are shifted towards Raibandar side, then it would help for decongestion in the Mandavi.
At the moment, the cabinet decision to shift them, 3 of them on the eastern side of the Mandavi bridge. So that will only reduce the decongestion in this part of the Mandavi, that is on the western side of the Mandavi bridge. So this decongestion will reduce the, it is only going to reduce the decongestion. So we hope things will be much better than before.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.